Let's start by creating a dictionary. So first I'm going to import a string method and use the first 5 ASCII characters to generate a dictionary. Now let's print the dictionary to see how it looks like and also print its keys. And we can see that the key values are the ASCII characters from A to E, and then the values are from 1 to 5. Now, one can go about retrieving the values from the dictionary using the parentheses, and this does work quite well. However, if we get to a point where the key doesn't exist, we get a key error. So what one may do to avoid this, to use the try except clauses, like so. Mm, And instead of whenever um, whenever this first part fails, we'll return a 0. Now we can see that this does work. It avoids the terminating the Python code. However, it's not the most Pythonic, and it also takes up the four lines. So the other alternative for someone could be to use the one-liner where or if else statements written in one line where we first return the value of a given key if the key exists in dictionary, or else we'll return 0. And again, we see that this does work. It takes up only one line, but it is, in my opinion, less readable. And so what I would highly suggest you to use is the get function. And let's try it out to see how it works. So if we use the get function without any second parameter, we'll get nothing because the key doesn't exist. However, if we want it to return 0, we can just specify the second parameter and we'll get the 0. So same thing, if we change the second value to 99, we'll get 99. And if we try some key which actually exists, we'll get the corresponding value. Now, again, this returns errors is almost as easy as this thing compared to this other two options. And that's pretty much it.